Hello everyone, came back with another airplane. I came back with another airplane called the AMJT 14300. It was modified from the 433-100. I think you need to wait, so I will load 423-100 with AMJT 14300. Not for the that. Let's just fly this freaking machine. That is just crazy. Oh. Okay, yeah. So let's fly this machine. Okay, so when I mentioned this, always dives to the left. This. Look at this, it dives to the left. Okay. Give me the reason of the banking of the aircraft, then I'll give you a shout out. Because I really want to fix this. Let's just die. First I'm gonna take okay, even if Jelly is younger than me in playing simple plays, I'm just a very bad lander. I hate this. I'm a very bad lander. I killed the first AMJT. At least the fuel's gone. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for another video.